Tables can do everything that filters can do, but tables also have some additional features. To create a table, firstly, click within the set of data. On the Home tab, go to Format as Table and choose an appropriate theme. If the data set is correct, then click OK. You can also choose the shortcut Ctrl+T. The table looks very much like filtered data. There are even buttons along the title row and they work in very much the same way. If we click on the Employee button, deselect all, then we can choose specific employees. Here we can see Alfred works in New York and he is male. We can also clear the selection by going back to Select All. In fact, it is hard to see that it's a table and not just filtered data. The way to tell is by looking on the bottom right-hand corner. We go down to the bottom of the data and we can see a small green triangle. That green triangle means that this data is in the form of a table. Tables have the additional feature that you can add slices. To do this, click within the data and then make sure we are in the Table Tools Design tab. Click Insert Slicer and a list of possible slices appears. We are going to choose Employee, Location and Gender and then click OK. Take a moment to arrange those neatly on our Excel worksheet and then we can use them to filter. We can choose specific employees like Alfred or Beverly. We can clear the selections by clicking on the red cross. We can make multiple selections by clicking the Multi-Select button. We can also choose Austin or Carl and clear those selections. We can filter with multiple selections, so for example, we might choose employees that work in New York and who are also female. The slices can be formatted. Changing the number of columns can be particularly useful. Let's do that for gender. Ensure we are in Slicer Tools Options. Change the number of columns from 1 to 2. This allows us to have the slicer in a landscape rather than a portrait format. Now it fits neatly at the bottom. Finally, to delete the slicers, click on them and hit the Delete key. To remove the table, ensure that we are clicked within the data, then go to Table Tools, Design, and finally Convert to Range. Click Yes, that's OK. The formatting remains, but the data is no longer in the form of a table.